mechanism, which I'm not going to do out here in the dirt. I've lost several pieces to rifles, pistols here in this particular spot. So, put this back together. Simply push it on. And then you turn it, you read through the manual because you don't want to turn this past, it's very important, not past this black spot. If you turn it past that black spot, it kicks it into another notch, and it is a real pain in the ass to get it back. That's where it goes, right there. It locks in. Put that back in. Okay, and then you take firing pin, the bolt rather. Okay, we have the bolt in. Now, remember, we have to unlock this to release this. Now it's locked into place. This is on safe. Okay, we're going to load this and shoot it right now and see what it'll do. Okay, we are using 168 grain Hornady AMAX. Try those first. And we are at 100 yards. 101. Okay, here we go. It's on. Now it's off. Looking pretty good. Not a bad group. Okay. Now we're going to try 168 grain Superformance AMAX. Nice evening. There's about an hour of daylight left here. Okay, 168 grain Superformance Hornady AMAX. See what it'll do. The first one always takes a while. About a half-inch apart. Sweet. That touched the other two. All four of those are touching. Let's see what number 5 does. Well, this thing really likes these 168 grain Superformances. We're going to walk down there and take a look. You're going to like this. Okay, climbing out of the truck, coming on down here now. This one and this one are the two that we left. Now, the two groups you just watched me fire, 168 grain Superformance Hornady AMAX right there. That's 5 rounds. Can't see 5 because 2 of them went through the same hole. That's 5 rounds. That is about a half inch, maybe a little more.